Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide video icons in your Zoom participants list. This is particularly useful when you want to declutter your meeting view and focus only on participants who have their cameras turned on, making your Zoom experience much cleaner and more organized. Let's start by opening your Zoom app on your device. Once the app launches, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields to access your Zoom account. This step ensures you have full access to all the features and settings we'll be working with. After successfully logging in, go ahead and join a meeting. You'll see the main Zoom interface once you're inside the meeting room. This is where all the magic happens and where we'll make the adjustments to customize your participant view. Now, direct your attention to the top of the meeting window. You'll notice a button labeled View in the toolbar. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with several viewing options. This menu is your control center for how you see other participants during your Zoom calls, and it offers different configurations to suit various meeting needs. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Hide Non-Video Participants and select it. This is the key step in the process. By choosing this option, you're telling Zoom to filter out anyone who doesn't have their camera turned on. This means participants who are audio only or have their video disabled won't clutter your gallery view anymore. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain focus on the people who are visually present in the meeting. To verify that the changes have taken effect properly, click on the View button once more. This time, select Gallery from the drop-down menu. The gallery view will now display only those participants who have their cameras enabled. You'll immediately notice the difference as the video icons for participants without active cameras are no longer visible in your view. This creates a much more streamlined and professional-looking interface, especially during larger meetings where not everyone has their camera on. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your Zoom participants list to show only those with active video feeds, making your virtual meetings more focused and visually manageable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.